Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna be making Parmesan chicken garlic mushroom today. It's an Italian recipe. I actually really love this recipe, especially the sauce. It tastes amazing. So I'm gonna be making that for myself and my family. So you guys can watch how I make it, and please subscribe. Click on the subscribe button below. Thank you. So guys, here's my setup right now. I have everything prepared. And so I basically marinated the chicken with the Italiano blend. You can use other marination methods as well, depending on your choice. So I just marinated a little bit of the chicken. I have some spinach. It's very healthy. So I usually like put more than needed, but you guys can put 1 cup. I have some mushrooms. You don't need that many mushrooms, but I'm cooking for more than 4 people, so I like mushrooms anyways. So, and then there's some pasta. There's some black pepper, salt, garlic powder, and Parmesan cheese, and diced garlic. And then I melted some butter. There's some whipped cream, and this is from Knorr's, the cubes I'm using. So yeah, I'm ready to cook now. I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil inside for the chicken to fry. That should be good enough. So I'm just gonna place the chicken inside the frying. So I just placed the chicken inside the frying pot, and I'm gonna fry the chicken on each side for two minutes approx, and in total like 4 to 5 minutes. So as you guys can see, it's almost, the other side is almost done. So I'm just gonna turn it around, the pieces. Meanwhile, I'm boiling some pasta, so usually I just add some oil inside it, and then I add the salt later on while I'm frying the chicken. Hi guys, if you guys liked my video, click on the subscribe button, and I am hoping to share more with you guys in the future. I just need a little more subscribers to make more content, so please subscribe below. You guys like my videos and recipes so far. Thank you very much, guys. So guys, make sure you guys cook this part properly, because later on I do put this in the sauce, but if it's not cooked properly, we can't cook it too much in the sauce. We're just gonna like dip it in the sauce type of thing. So make sure the chicken breasts are cooked properly. So guys, now I'm gonna be adding the mushrooms in the same oil I cooked the chicken in. I'm going to turn the heat a little bit up, and then I'm going to start mixing them. So some of the chicken seasoning is still inside here, so you guys can add more seasoning, the Italiano or whatever you want the seasoning to be for the mushrooms. I'm going to be adding a little bit of Kikkoman soy sauce. I really like soy sauce, so just a little bit. You guys don't have to add the soy sauce, but I just like soy sauce. I'm just frying this in high heat. I have lowered the heat a little bit. You guys just have to make sure you guys are you guys keep mixing it, because you don't want it to get burned or stick on the bottom. So once these babies are done, you guys can put them in another plate. So after the mushroom, guys, melt some butter and then add some garlic. Oops, splash. Okay. So we're just gonna fry some garlic in medium-high heat. Oh my god, when you guys put the butter and then the garlic, it smells so awesome. This is my favorite part of the recipe. I'm frying the garlic for half a minute. And then I'm gonna add, this is kind of a tough part, but don't worry guys, you guys can do it. I'm gonna add 1 spoon of flour. And then you just whisk it. And then you add half cup broth. I just added a little more because I'm cooking for more people, but like half a cup is enough for the broth. And then yeah, so I just added the broth. So I'm gonna be adding 1 cup whipping cream. You guys can get the other one, which comes in a box type of thing. I'm just adding a little bit more than 1 cup. Yum. Add half a teaspoon pepper and half teaspoon salt. Don't add too much salt because of we're going to be putting Parmesan cheese too, so that's salty as well. So I'm adding half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And now I'm going to be adding the Parmesan cheese, 1 cup. Well, you can add half a cup, but I'm adding 1 cup. Just whisk it till the grated cheese melts. So as you guys can see, the grated cheese melted. Time to add the spinach. We should always try and keep a balanced diet with chicken and spinach and all the vegetables and meat. We shouldn't only be eating meat because so guys, add mushrooms. now we're gonna add the final part, the chicken. Yum. So now we have completed making chicken garlic parmesan. So guys, just a quick tip. I usually wash the pasta with cold water so it doesn't get stuck together. So I'm gonna cover the chicken on low heat and cover it and cook it for like 10 minutes on very low heat. So guys, thank you for watching my cooking video today. I hope you guys learned something from it, and I hope you guys try it out. Yeah, thanks. Please click on the subscribe button. Please don't forget, I really need 1,000 subscribers for YouTube monetization. Thank you. This is the done result of Parmesan garlic chicken. So you guys can put the pasta over the top or eat it separately on the side. It's up to you. So I just put a little bit on the top. Watching my recipe in my kitchen. I hope you really loved the video. Obviously you don't know how it tastes, but you guys can try it in your spare time and see if you like the recipe. I'm sure you guys are gonna love the recipe. So yeah, have a great day guys. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you guys really like the video, please subscribe right now and click on the subscribe button. I need 1,000 subscribers for YouTube monetization, so please help me out. And I'm sure you guys learned how great like this recipe is. When you guys make it yourself in the kitchen, you guys are just gonna love the smell, the taste, everything about it. So please do try it out, and have a great day button, and see you next time. I love the lighting over here. It's so dark, but I love the lighting. Welcome to my. If you guys like the video, please click on the subscribe button. Hi guys, welcome to my chicken.